Assalamu alaikum. This is Rashid, and in this tutorial I will tell you that how you can apply background color to your text. There is a difference between the background color and the highlighter. Okay, so firstly I will just select that range, not that text for which I want to apply the background color, right? I will just select it, and here is the option. From here I can select a different, right? And black is my favorite color, blue is as well my favorite color, and you can select according to your according to your like. If for example I like black and I like blue, so I have applied the blue color as a background color, right? So you can apply as per your likeness, as per your perception, and as per your thinking. So there is another option. I'll just select that line, right? And this is the highlighter, right? So there is a big difference between the highlighter and the background color. So this is highlighter, right? And that is, you can say that is the way by which you can apply the background color. So this is all for this tutorial, and inshallah see you in the next one. Thank you.